Today we will discuss the exercise 7.3 in triangle chapter. Okay, exercise 7.3. First question I am writing here on board. What is the question here given? AD is an altitude. Altitude means that is perpendicular. Height is nothing but altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC. ABC is which type of triangle? AD is altitude. AB is altitude. And ABC is isosceles triangle. ABC is isosceles triangle. In which AB equal to AC. Already we know. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Okay, which sides are equal? Take a triangle here. Take a triangle. This is A, B, C. As a convenience only how to take. Always don't take A and above. But here what is given? AB equal to AC. A side is common. A is common for both. So I take it top. Okay, according to that condition only how to take. ఈ కండిషన్ ప్రకారం మనం తీసుకోవాలి AB ఇప్పుడు AC హలో A అనేది కామన్ గా ఉంది కదా కామన్ గా ఉంది కనుక ఇక్కడ టాప్ పోర్షన్ లో A అనేది తీసుకోవాలి A B C అయితే ఏంటి మనకి AB సైడ్ AC సైడ్ both are equal this symbol denotes the equal length this symbol denotes the equal length and AD is altitude that means AD is altitude means you have to write like it AD is altitude AD is drawn for the BC, perpendicular, like perpendicular. This perpendicular means how much angle will be formed? 90 degrees will be formed. Here also 90 degrees will be formed. What is the name of this angle? What is the name of this angle? Angle ADB. ADB. What is the name of this angle? ADC. 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 Now show that AD bisects BC. AD bisects BC. It's a very simple question this is. If you draw the diagram means you can get comparison. Just compare, write the solution. AD bisects BC. AD bisects that means BD and CD lengths are equal. We have to. Next question is AD bisects angle. AD draw చేయడం వల్ల angle A equal half అయినా చూపించాలి. Equal half అయినని చూపించాలి. అయితే ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం చూడండి. Triangle take triangles. Triangle given first triangle given AD is altitude AD is altitude in isosceles triangle ABC isosceles triangle ABC now compare I want to show ABD equal to DC one question that is first question second question these two angles are equal I want to show these two sides have to equal you have to show then these two angles are equal we want to show okay that is our requirement our requirement now we have to take a triangle ABD next triangle ADC compare the corresponding parts what are the corresponding parts here AD is common side for two times AD that means AD is common side AD equal to AD common side AD equal to AD common side next AB equal to AC already given AB equal which are equal those are identified given next angles are equal because 90 degrees are formed there AD perpendicular to BC and that is ADB equal to ADC because 90 degrees here side angle but 90 degrees given there so that is taken RHS criteria what is the triangle ABD congruent to triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC which rule it is RHS rule According to RHS rule, we can say the corresponding. That means these are two times congruent. Then what we can say? Corresponding parts are equal. Corresponding parts are equal. Final conclusion. First question, conclusion. Then first question. Now BD equal to BD equal to DC by CP by CP. BD parts. These two are common times. Then what happened? These two angles will be equal. These two angles will be equal. Therefore, AD bisects BC. AD bisects BC. Okay, what is the name of this angle? Name of this angle is BAC. What is the name of this angle? DAB. These two also equal because corresponding parts only. Those are. If you fold this one, these two angles coincide each other. So corresponding part. Second one. DAB equal to angle BAC by CPC. Already we know by CPC means corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. अब ये क्या बचना है? AD bisect, therefore AD bisects angle A. This is the answer. First question. First you have to take question and diagram, then compare and write a conclusion. Very easy one. If you practice. If you are not practicing this, that will be difficult for you. We can go to the second question. What is the second question given? Two sides Okay, this is the question. Two sides AB, BC and median AM of one triangle ABC is equal to the PQ, QR and median of PN of triangle equal. That means here we have two triangles. What are the two triangles are there? This is one triangle. One more triangle is. Okay, this is one triangle. This is one triangle. This triangle name AM is median. So A is top portion. ABC. AM is the median. Median means AM. AM is the median. Median. This is the median. Okay, AM is the median. Median means this will be divided into two equal halves. By drawing median already in some class we done. By drawing median, opposite sides will be made into two equal halves. Okay, median. And PQR. Here also P N is the median. PQR. PN is the median. This is also median. This is also median. Median means these two sides will be equally half. Equally half. What is given there? AD equal to BC. AB equal to PQ. AB equal to PQ, AB equal to PQ, AB equal to PQ, and BC and QR both are equal. BC and QR both are, these two equal, these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal. Now we have to what happen? ABM common to PQN, ABM common to APQ PQN. Whenever medians are equally half means those should be equal. Okay, what we get here from figures, what we get BC equal to QR, BC equal to QR. Okay, BM plus MC, BC is written as BM plus MC equal to QN plus NR. Okay, QR is written as QN plus NR. But these are the median. By drawing median, these two are equal. By drawing median, these two are equal. Instead of NR, we get QN. That means QN equal to NR. QN equal to NR. Here BM equal to MC. BM equal to MC. These conditions are available. Okay, now see here, instead of MC, I want to write this BM only. BM plus BM equal to QN plus, instead of NR, I want to write QN only. QN. That means 2BM, BM plus BM, 2BM, 2QN, 2QN, 2 will cancel. BM equal to QN, BM equal to QN. Okay, this condition you have to remember to do the comparison. First comparison చేయాలంటే మనకి కండిషన్ తెలియాలి. ఓకే, ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ అయ్యాయి. అలాంటి మీనింగ్ సాల్వ్ చేసాం కనుక ఈ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి BM equal to QR ప్రూవ్ చేసాం. Now we will do the first question. What is the first question here? Triangle ABM, triangle PQN, both you have to compare. Now compare. AM already given. If you look at the question, which are identical, which are equal. These two sides equal. Medians also equal. Don't forget that one. AM equal to PM. Medians also equal. That means AM equal to PM. AM equal to PM. Given. Next, AB equal to PQ. AB equal to PQ. This is also given. Okay. Next, BM equal to QN. BM equal to QN. Proved. Three sides equal. Side. That means triangle ABM is common to triangle PQN. SSS criteria ప్రకారం అవి ఈక్వల్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు కూడా కామన్ లైన్స్ అయిపోయాయి కదా. ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ కామన్ లైన్స్. కామన్ లైన్స్ ఏంటండి? those are having equal parts. Okay, then what about BQ? These two will be equal. BQ and B equal to then angle B equal to angle Q by CP CT. We go for the second question. What is the second question? ABC triangle, PQ triangle. Congratulations to each other. Triangle ABC, triangle PQ. What is it we know? AB equal to AB equal to PQ. AB equal to PQ. AB equal to corresponding parts equal in RMA. PQ given. ఇంకోటి ఏమి ఇచ్చారు చెప్పండి? AB equal to PQ కావాలి. BC equal to QR. BC equal to QR given. మనకి ఫ్రమ్ 1 బై CP ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఈ రెండు ట్రయాంగిల్స్ కూడా ఈ సైడ్ ఈక్వల్ అయిపోయింది. అలాగే ఈ సైడ్ ఈక్వల్ అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా ఏమైనా పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయా? ఈ రెండు సైడ్స్ ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్పలేము. ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ అనేది ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్పలేము. కానీ ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ చెప్పొచ్చు కదా. సిపి ఫస్ట్ వన్ కనుక యాంగిల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు యాంగిల్ క్యూ బై సిపి ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి is formed into triangle PQR. ఏ ప్రాపర్టీ, ఏ క్రైటీరియా, సైడ్ యాంగిల్ అంటే SAS రూల్. SAS ఇది సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. Okay, see the question. BE and CF third question I am writing here. We are discussing third question. BE and CF are two equal altitudes. What are those altitudes of triangle ABC? Those two altitudes are formed in one triangle. Those two altitudes are formed in one triangle. Okay, take a triangle. Okay, BECF. That means A, B, C. BECF are altitudes of a triangle ABC, and BE means B are not Shahadata. BE is one altitude. Here 90 degree. BE. CF, C are not Shahadata. CF is another altitude. One side 90 degrees formed means another side will be also 90 degrees will be formed. CF. RH by using combination RHS, they given suggestion also. Use RHS criteria. We have to prove. What we have to prove? Use RHS combination rule. Prove that ABC is isosceles triangle. ABC is triangle. Isosceles triangle. ABC is isosceles triangle. Okay, take triangle. Here I want to take triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. One triangle ABE. Another triangle ACF. These two triangles I want to take. Now compare any. What you have to prove that ABC is isosceles triangle. Prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Here one thing remember, BE and CF both are equal. BE and CF are what are they? Both are equal. Now take triangle BE equal to CF. Given BE equal to CF given. Next BE equal to CF. What is the angle formed here? 90. What is the name of this angle? Angle AEB. What is the name of this angle? I am taking these two triangles. This is one triangle. This is one more triangle. Okay, I am taking these two triangles. AB. This is the what is the name of this triangle? AFC. AFC. ABE. ABE equal to AFC. 90 degrees. AFC is 90 degrees. Now, angle A is common in two triangles. Okay, if you take this triangle or this triangle, angle A is common. Angle A equal to angle A. Angle A equal to angle B. Angle A equal to angle A. So, reflex property. Reflex angle. That's all only equal. So common. Triangle ABC. ABC common to triangle ACF. Triangle ACF. Okay, which property is here? Two angles. RHS means it will take so much large question. So short one you can do AS rule you can do. AS rule you can use here. Simply we can simplify this one. Okay, whenever if you take this means we have to prove is two are common, we have to show like that we have so many processes. So follow this model. Okay, now therefore what we can say AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC by CP by CP. Therefore triangle ABCE isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. This is the answer. Fourth question. Fourth question which is AP example give the diagram for you. First question one only that one. First question one only 2 years. Fourth question diagram will draw for you. This is homework. Okay, take a triangle ABC. ABC triangle we have to take AB equal to AC. Already given, but we have to equal it. Show that angle B equal to angle C we have to. But it is given altitude. Altitude what is there? AP is R. By using this diagram, follow the first one. Complete this one. Okay, fourth question homework. Sorry. Follow this diagram. Prove B and C are equal.